Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another legit intel, with another breaking news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. The koko now be say the executive chairman of BATTL3 local government area of Rivers State, dey go by the name Chijioke Iwunwo, he don sama warning. He don come outside now dey draw ear say the current governor of Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he go face challenges for inside the next election for inside the state wey they don arrange already, say e go happen for inside the year 2027. And according to this countryman wey dey go by the name Chijioke Iwunwo, he say the upcoming battle e no go only be about the re-election of Governor Siminalayi Fubara, but also e go be about the future of Rivers State resources and the soul of the state. Speaking to the BATTL Unity Forum, wey be one socio-political group for inside BATTL local government area, Oga Chijioke Iwunwo come dey emphasize, he come dey talk plenty about the importance of unity and loyalty among the supporters of Governor Siminalayi Fubara. He say he know very well say some of the people wey dey currently dey support His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, they go last ditch am, they go last abandon am before the next general election, so they don arrange say e go happen for inside the year 2027, and they go abandon the man maybe for some personal or selfish reasons. But in dey urge all of them, make dem remain firm, make dem remain loyal to their leader, because im priority na for Rivers State betterment. Wetin dey the mind of the Rivers State governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara na make everything nice for Rivers State and make everything for go well for the Rivers State people, and no be whine na legit. That na why im dey plead with all of them, so make dem take the message of His Excellency to the nooks and crannies of BATTL kingdom. No be small matter like this, so my good people. Oga Chijioke Iwunwo, he no stop there at all. He continue proceed further, dey give assurance. He dey assure the group say for inside this administration, he go carry all of them along. He no go leave any man behind at all. He go carry them along in the activities of the council, even when it comes to appointments and community memberships wey dey aimed at enhancing development for inside the local government area. Meanwhile, the leader of BATTL Unity Forum, wey be Chidoke Dike, he come dey congratulate Oga Chijioke Iwunwo on his election victory, and he come dey describe am as the people's mandate. This na the general public na vote the man plaster for that position wey im dey for there. Oga Dike come dey express confidence in the leadership of Oga Chijioke Iwunwo, and he come dey appreciate the boss of the council for appointing sons and daughters of BATTL kingdom to his team. According to Yan, he say the man now he don already do a lot for their people, but like Oliver Twist, we dey ask for more in terms of appointments. As a group, they are very much happy to work with them, and their dear leader, their dear governor, wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and they go always dey stand firm in his ideals. They go always plaster with the man no matter the matter. But no be lie, my good people, the election wey go happen for inside the year 2027, e go hot, no be small. E good make those people now wey dey loyal to Oga Siminalayi Fubara, make dem no last now come go dey switch side, make dem no last come go betray the man, make dem no last come go turn to Judas, make dem no last come copy the lifestyle of the former governor and the current minister of FCT wey be Oga Wike. You know say currently for inside Rivers State, some countrymen dey describe Oga Wike as Judas, sake of say im betray Rivers State, im betray im own party wey be the People's Democratic Party, just to acquire appointment from the APC-led administration. And no be lie, since Oga Wike don get the backing of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, things and things go down for inside the 2027 elections. Fingers crossed, and we hope for the best. Anyhow the informate be for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another interesting informate, another legit intel wey I wan share give the general public. The koko now be say the coalition of Nigerian youth leaders, and this group na one prominent umbrella body wey dey represent youth groups from Nigeria's 6 geopolitical zones. They don formally endorsed Seyi Tinubu, wey be the son of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They don endorse the man now as their preferred candidate for Lagos State Governor for inside the year 2027. No be small matter like this, my good people. These people now they come drop statement about the matter, and this statement was issued on Tuesday for inside Owerri. One countryman wey dey go by the name Goodluck Ibem, in a President General Comrade, plus another countryman wey dey go by the name Junad Abubakar, and this one na Secretary Comrade, plus their Public Relations Officer Comrade wey be Inyobong Samson, and Publicity Secretary Comrade wey dey go by the name Adeyemo Adewale. Na all these men put together na make up the leadership of the coalition of Nigerian youth leaders. They come announce their resolution after one extensive meeting. The coalition come even credit their decision to the transformational performance and leadership traits of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during his tenure as the Lagos State Governor. That is to say, they support the son of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu sake of say the time wey our Presido be governor of Lagos State, him do well, him do nice for Lagos State people. And according to the group, they say the achievements of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu now lay the foundation for the status of Lagos as the center of excellence. And for inside this group, their statement, they come express confidence. Say Sheyi Tinubu dey possess the leadership qualities wey dey very much needed to build on his father's achievements. They come yarn say Nigerian youth dey see Sheyi Tinubu as a symbol of fresh ideas and innovation. So Lagos State now they need a youth with powerful ideas, wonderful ideas and experience to govern. And Sheyi Tinubu is very much gifted, qualified, experienced and capable to lead Lagos State to the promised land for inside 2027. All this level my good people are the things and things wey the group dey yarn for inside their statement. And they constantly urge the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu making hear the voices of Nigerian youths by supporting the gubernatorial ambition of im pikin wey be Sheyi Tinubu. Then the group come dey describe young Tinubu, that is Tinubu pikin, as a capable leader wey don demonstrate excellence on things wey im dey do before. Im come call on youths across the nation, that is to say im dey call on country people so make dem support Oga Sheyi Tinubu and make dem support the man sake of say his governorship ambition is an opportunity for Nigerian youths to demonstrate their capabilities. No be small matter like this, my good people. Like this now for inside the year 2027, na Tinubu pikin na fit be the governor of Lagos State, and e no get anyhow wey Oga Presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu no go support im pikin ambition. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.